Welcome to today's video, where we'll uncover 7 surprising benefits of charcoal that you probably never thought of. Let's dive in. 1. Teeth whitening. Did you know that charcoal can naturally whiten your teeth? By using activated charcoal powder, you can gently remove stains and brighten your smile without harsh chemicals. Simply dip your wet toothbrush into the powder, brush gently for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. It's that easy. 2. Skin detoxification. Charcoal's porous texture makes it excellent for drawing out impurities from the skin. Whether you're dealing with acne skin or clogged pores, a charcoal mask can work wonders. Apply a thin layer of charcoal mask to clean, dry skin, and let it sit for 10–15 minutes before rinsing off. Your skin will feel refreshed and rejuvenated. 3. Water filtration. Charcoal is a natural water purifier, effectively removing impurities and toxins. Whether you're camping or simply want cleaner drinking water at home, charcoal filtration can be a game changer. Place a layer of activated charcoal in a clean container, pour water over it, and let it sit for a few hours. The charcoal will absorb contaminants, leaving you with cleaner, safer water. 4. Digestive health. For centuries, charcoal has been used to alleviate digestive issues such as bloating and gas. It works by binding to toxins in the digestive tract, allowing your body to expel them more easily. Taking activated charcoal capsules with a glass of water can help relieve discomfort and promote overall digestive wellness. 5. Air purification. Indoor air pollution is a common concern, especially in urban areas. Charcoal air purifiers can help remove odors, allergens, and pollutants from the air, creating a healthier living environment. Simply place a charcoal air purifier in your home or office to enjoy cleaner, fresher air. Say goodbye to unwanted smells and hello to a breath of fresh air. 6. Gardening aid. Charcoal can also benefit your garden by improving soil drainage and absorbing excess moisture. Mix charcoal granules into your soil to promote healthier, more vibrant plants. Adding charcoal to your gardening routine can help prevent root rot and fungal growth, giving your plants the best possible chance to thrive. 7. Composting aid. Lastly, charcoal can help speed up the composting process by balancing pH levels and absorbing odors. Adding charcoal to your compost pile can result in richer, healthier soil for your garden. Mix charcoal pieces or powder into your compost regularly to reap the benefits of faster decomposition and nutrient-rich soil. There you have it, 7 incredible benefits of charcoal that you may not have considered before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, charcoal isn't just for grilling anymore. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.